to the hospital. Quincy's not feeling very well.
Regularly.
May 17th, 2021.
Oh, May 17th. Okay, what time is it?
10:03.
Okay, 10:03.
I was in the room.
He's not liking that he's getting moved.
Love you.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we're the eagerly anticipating grandparents waiting for the arrival.
Oh, there they are. Oh, hello. How are you?
Hi, buddy. Oh, so cute. There you are, buddy.
Oh, he's so great.
Well, we'd like to introduce Mr. Asael David Melonakos.
Oh, wow. That's a great name.
That's
Okay,
a great name.
and for the camera, spell Asael.
Asael.
Beautiful. We have the pronunciation confirmed by
A BYU professor, general conference talk, and a BYU speech.
Oh,
We think people can call him Ace for short.
Yeah.
So Asael means made by God,
oh,
or like intelligent. I saw on one website.
Oh.
And it's a Hebrew name. This is a Greek spelling of, as I understand it, a Hebrew name that's in the Bible. Asael is
David's mighty warrior.
David's nephew.
Oh, he's so sweet.
He has the name of a mighty warrior.
Yeah.
oh yes, oh yes. Can you say Grandpa? Oh well.
There you go. Hello. Oh, he's wonderful. They are. You're okay. So sweet. Asael David, you got a David Michael holding you.
oh carpet.
Nice shoes.
Oh my goodness.
Go around this way so it's lighter.
Asael David.
Turn
So
just around a
precious.
little bit. Yeah, there you go.
You're so precious.
I didn't have to take a day for you, hasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Did you come home? You home? Oh, you're gonna be sleepy? Now that you're home, you can rest. Yes.
Oh, look at those little lips.
Look at those big
Rhinos
hands.
here and on the bottom.
Oh, are those NBA hands or NFL receiver? Huh? Huh?
Yes, you are. You can't deny it. You can't deny it.
Look at that hair.
So